When Softstar started in '85, it was strictly a children's shoe company, and it was all about having the ability for your feet to develop naturally.
But over the years, parents started getting jealous of their kids and wanted to have these shoes for themselves as well.
We started expanding our line to cover all sizes and shapes.
And initially it was fairly limited, but then as more and more adults began wearing our shoes, we started getting feedback and questions and desires for different styles of shoes.
And we have a little something for everyone. We've got soft shoes for children that allow their feet to develop naturally. We've got comfortable shoes for everyday casual wear, and we have minimal trail shoes for runners.
We have shoes for every season, from light, breathable sandals to fully lined sheepskin boots.
People buy Softstar shoes because they want their feet to be healthy. They want room for their children's feet to develop, or room for their toes to spread the way they're meant to naturally. They want to have a good sense of balance and to be able to use their feet the way they would if they were barefoot in nature.
We really feel that shoes should mold to your foot, and for that to happen, they have to be soft, flexible, lightweight. Softstar is really concerned about the quality of our shoes, so we're always looking for the best materials that we can find. So we have really nice leathers that are yummy on your feet and smell wonderful, and we're always trying to improve the quality of our products.
We also always have an eye to ways we can walk lighter on the earth, minimize waste, use our materials more effectively, source them locally, and making sure that where our materials come from, that the people who are making our raw materials are also working in fair and safe environments. We have really great customers, and because we are here making the shoes, we get to talk to them and hear them every day, hear their ideas. They think a lot about their feet, their health, they think a lot about the environment, and they're always giving us wonderful leads and ways to go in our product development.
Our customer service team is great, and they're right here in the workshop, which really makes it easy for them to go and talk to the seamstresses that are making your shoe to help resolve any issues that may come up. Our website allows people a lot of creativity. You can design your own shoes, and there's many colors to choose from, as well as motifs, and all of those things allow people to create something that's unique to them, that represents them. The turnaround time on a design your own shoe is really fast, which really surprises a lot of people.
What we do is unique because we are making things one at a time. We're not pumping things off a line every 2 seconds. They're being made by artisans who are working with their hands, and so they are unique and they are special.
Someone will see the shoes on someone else's feet and they have to stop and ask them about it, and that's how we grow, is because people love talking about it and sharing their experience.